Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to be talking about the crypto market outlook for next week, which is on the 1st to on the 6th of December 2025. And once again, this is Web3judge. Before I move on, I will likely want to show you our market outlook for last week and the outcome of it. You understand? You can kindly go and watch our previous market outlook and see how we predicted this move. You understand? If you've watched our market outlook for our previous market outlook, you will notice from these breakouts we predicted that the price, when the price was here, we predicted that it may likely retrace or just take a move straight, but it moved according to how we predicted it, which it retest and take a move to hit our main zone, which is our demand zone, or rather resistance zone. You understand? So that was our prediction for last week, and we also predicted that once they hit that move, we are going to be selling down from that point. However, we expected both the we expected to take the buying and sell for that for trade for last week, but fortunately market only gave us buy for last week. You understand? And after it gave us buy, the market was ranging. You can see the market was ranging. It was ranging from after our full TP. It was ranging even up to this moment. The market, after taking up the liquidity at that zone, after it created the liquidity, it swept the liquidity and continued ranging. So if you have been on my channel, I once told you that I do post predictions on my channel. I post after I got my setup. After I take my trade, I post my setup. Even on my Facebook, those who are following me on Facebook know this too. I post it on my Facebook. I post it on my Telegram channel. And those who saw the trade, who may likely want to take the trade, also took the trade. And those who are afraid to take action left it just like that, and we eat full TP for that trade. And now we are looking up to this week, which is a new week for us. What are we now expecting? What is our expectation? Now if you notice, I talked on buying and selling for last week. Unfortunately, market gave us only the buy and was ranging. Now for this week, we are expecting a sell. Yeah, we are expecting to sell from this week. Understand? Now where are we selling from, and where are we going to enter the trade? No, or rather, where are we heading to? So if you observe from here, you can see that market created the liquidity, cleared the liquidity, and created a fair value gap, and which has mitigated. Now what is next from here? What is my expectation? Before, I wanted to enter the trade from this zone. But I still need at least one confirmation before I give it a go. What is that confirmation? I want it to create a fair value gap or a demand zone, break through this line, or rather break through this because there's liquidity there to clear out those liquidity, then retest to my demand zone, or rather a fair value gap which may likely going to be created inside this box. Then from there I will enter my trade. From there I will take my trade based on confirmation, then sell down. Here will be my first TP. Yeah, this will be my first TP, and maybe in my likely trade, but my first TP, that zone will be my first TP, and my second TP will be inside this box. then we just be taking uh TP, because I'm likely going to I'm expecting price to at least touch this 80k region again, or rather 81k region again, you understand? So this will be my first TP, my second TP, then we might close, or if we see a rejection anyhow, or how the case may be, we might close around this region, or we wait to take full TP at this region, you understand? So that would be my trade for next week, you understand? No, I'm going to be taking my trade once we break out from this range, because after the range it already, after we break out from the range, upon retesting, I will take my trade based on confirmation, then we'll set down to this zone. So that will be my market outlook for this week, rather, for this week. So keep executing with an edge, and make sure if you want to get the trade, because once I got my setup, I made my entry, I usually post it, then post the outcome, which is the before and one, and the outcome I also post the outcome, which is the after, on my Telegram channel. If you want to trade with me, you can kindly join my Telegram channel, which will be in the description. So kindly join my Telegram channel, trade with me, win with me, lose with me, and ride with me. Have a nice day. See you on my next video. Peace out.